How to snooze notifications in Slack. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to snooze notifications on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top right corner. Just right here, select it. Then here you will find the pause notifications option right here. Tap on it. Now to snooze notifications, you need to simply turn it on and simply pause the notifications until this time or until next week, until tomorrow, or you can also customize it. Simply choose one just like this. And now you can see you have snoozed the notifications. And that's it. This is how you can snooze notifications in Slack. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.